These two watermelon drinks are quick, hydrating, and naturally sweet, with a twist of mint and optional lychee for those who like something extra. Start with half of a small watermelon, roughly 2 cups worth. Chop it up and add it to a blender along with a handful of fresh mint leaves. Now grab a bowl, fill it with ice, and pour in the blended juice through a sieve. This gives you a smoother texture and removes any pulp or seeds. Then add 2 tablespoons of pre-hydrated basil seeds. They add a fun, jelly-like texture and a cooling effect. Pour in a glass, garnish with more mint if you like, and that's it. A freshly minty watermelon cooler that's light, sweet, and super hydrating. For a flavor upgrade, take 1/4 of a cup of lychee and blend it. Mix it with the watermelon mint blend. Lychee has a unique floral sweetness, so it's a bit of an acquired taste. The lychee adds a mellow perfume to the watermelon and gives the drink a subtle twist. So if you're unsure, test a small sample first before going all in. Once you're happy with the flavor, pour it into a glass, and there you have it. 2 refreshing watermelon drinks, both bursting with natural sweetness and hydrating goodness. Give this video a like and subscribe for more cool drink ideas to keep you refreshed all season long.